Working or function of heart. So student, previously we have studied the working or function of heart. So student, previously we have studied the structure of heart. Now let's discuss function of heart. You all know that our heart is very important organ which provides oxygenated blood throughout the body by pumping the blood. Due to this pressure, blood flows throughout the body. During pumping, heart produces a typical sound which is lub dub. So deoxygenated blood gets converted into oxygenated blood into the lungs. So how heart provides us oxygenated blood for various activities? Let's see. As we have studied, heart is muscular organ having four different chambers, that is upper two chambers and lower two chambers. So the upper two chambers are known as atrium and lower two chambers are known as ventricle. As we have discussed, heart is muscular organ having four different chambers, that are upper two chambers and lower two chambers. So the left side upper chamber is known as left atrium. The right side upper chamber is known as right atrium and lower chambers which are known as ventricle. So the left side lower chamber is known as left ventricle and right side lower chambers is known as right ventricle. Now let's see how blood circulation is going on in heart. With these four chambers, hearts also have four valves, that are mitral valve or bicuspid valve, aortic valve, tricuspid valve and pulmonic valve. All these valves are one-way valves. Means if blood enters through these valves, blood never come back. So from these valves, always one side blood flow occurs. Now you all know that lungs converts deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood. So this oxygenated blood is then enters into left atrium through pulmonary veins. So the function of heart starts from the entry of oxygenated blood into left atrium, that is left upper chamber, through pulmonary vein. Then this oxygenated blood enters into the left ventricle through mitral or bicuspid valve. After that, from left ventricle, this oxygenated blood is then circulated to throughout the body by the structure or vein which is known as aorta. From aorta, this oxygenated blood is circulated throughout the body for various body activities and various metabolic reactions. So now, because of these various activities and metabolic reactions, the oxygenated blood is fully utilized by different body tissues and thus converted into deoxygenated blood. Means blood which has less oxygen but rich in carbon dioxide. So now this deoxygenated blood is then drained into the largest vein known as vena cava. Through vena cava, this deoxygenated blood is then enters into the right atrium. From right atrium, this deoxygenated blood